Hi there, let me show you how to enable the one-handed mode on your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. Let's go to settings first, and here we need to scroll down to the advanced features menu. Here you can find some interesting features by Samsung Labs, experimental features, and so on. Today our subject is one-handed mode, so tap on it and turn it on. And now you need to choose which method will you use to downscale the screen so that you can easily control it with one hand only. You can choose gesture or button. I prefer button. So let's see how it works. Just double tap the middle button in the bottom of the screen, and now you can reach any icon on the screen just with one hand, and you can move the screen to another side of the display, and you can exit the one-handed mode just by tapping somewhere outside of the screen boundaries, like this. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.